Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So today in this particular video, I am going to show you one ETL pipeline where we will be uploading CSV file in a particular S3 bucket. As soon as CSV file will be uploaded in that particular bucket, which can be considered as a source, okay, what will happen? One Lambda function will be triggered, okay. The Lambda has to read the particular CSV file which is uploaded in that particular source S3 bucket. It will do some simple transformation, okay, and then it will put the transformed data in another S3 bucket. You can consider that S3 bucket as destination, and from that destination S3 bucket, what we will be doing, we will be loading that data automatically in the Snowflake table which we are going to create in the Snowflake platform, okay. So for this particular complete pipeline purpose, as we are going to use our Lambda, and in Lambda the Python packages are not present, so first step is you have to install Windows Subsystem for Linux, okay. How to install this? The complete video tutorial link will be provided in the description box. Follow the video and download and install this Windows Subsystem for Linux, because the packages whatever will be binding in a zip file should be installed in Linux platform, because AWS Lambda is created works on Linux. Now if you simply install the packages in Windows, it might happen that it might not work in the Linux ecosystem, okay. That time we require this, right? I'll be going through the code, the settings from the scratch, so no need to worry about anything. So let's start from creating one IAM role. First step, what is required for this project? S3 full access, okay. So I am going to user and I am going to add user, okay, giving the username Etl Pipeline, okay, and I want to give programming access, not obviously management console access, because I want to access programmatically. Then going to next permission, here attach existing policy directly I'll be going, and I'll be taking S3, okay, Amazon S3 full access I'll be clicking, okay. So what is done here? It indicates that I want to give S3 full access to this particular user which I am creating in this stage 1, okay. Then next tags, I am not providing any tags. If you want, you can put, okay. Then next review, see username is ETL Pipeline, which is not our point of interest. It will not required in our whole project, okay, but we require the AWS key and access key, which will be downloading as soon as we click on create user, okay, and store that, save that, okay, because this is required in many situations in this particular project. You can copy from here also, but better to save this, because you will not be getting this one again, okay, right. So once IAM is created, what we have to do? We will be going to our S3 bucket, okay. We will be simply writing S3 in the search, and we will be going to S3 management console. We will be creating 3 different buckets, okay. One bucket will be source, where different CSV files will be uploaded. Another will be destination, where processed CSV files will come, and it will go from that particular bucket to Snowflake table, okay. And one more S3 bucket will be creating, where we will be keeping the zipped file, okay, which will be creating for our AWS Lambda, okay. So create bucket, I'll be going. I am creating my bucket in US East Ohio region, because my Snowflake account is in US East Ohio region, okay. Make sure both are in same region, okay. Now bucket name, so I am giving the bucket name source file, okay. Any random name you can give, okay. Bucket name must be unique and must not contain spaces or uppercase letters. So what we'll be doing, we'll be making this smallest, perfect. Now block all public access, yes, okay, I am okay with that. I am enabling the versioning, because it might happen that now one file is coming, after some time with the same file name another file is coming. That time if you enable the bucket versioning, it will work perfectly, okay. So I am going to create bucket, okay. It is not acceptable, so here I can give like this source file demo, where our file will come. Let's hope that it will work. And it's created, perfect. Now I am going to create bucket one more. Here what we'll be doing, destination okay, bucket demo, like this I am writing. Here what will happen, after processing via our AWS Lambda function, the CSV files will be stored here. Okay, perfect. And I am enabling the versioning here also, and then here we are going to create bucket. Okay, it is not acceptable. Just I am giving randomly such name so that it will be acceptable, at least. Create bucket. And here our second bucket also created. See, both these buckets and objects are not public. Okay, now we are going to create another bucket. Okay, this will be storing our zipped file for lambda zip code. Okay, code with all the packages, dependencies, etc. Now here what I want to keep this public. Okay, so what if you make public, what it means? It means that anyone having this particular link, whenever you will be uploading S3 object, you will be getting one link. Anyone having the link can access that. I have no problem with that. For the time being, I am enabling that. Okay, and here I am going to create bucket. Okay, it is not taking zip code, maybe demo I am writing, and here I am going to create bucket. So 3 different buckets are created. This stage is done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go to Lambda. In Lambda, what we will be doing? In Lambda, we will be creating one Lambda function, and we will be creating one trigger that whenever file will be coming in the source file demo, the function should be triggered. Okay, so I am going to function, and here create function. Okay, and here I am selecting the language to Python 3.8, and I am giving the function name as demo Etl Pipeline. You can give according to your choice, no issue. Okay, I am keeping all other things as it is and going to create the function. Okay, so it will be taking some time to create our Lambda function, right? So let's wait for that. And here our Lambda function is perfectly created. Now we'll be adding one trigger. What will be our trigger? Our trigger will be S3. So I'll be choosing S3. And what is the bucket name among these 3? Source file, where CSV file will be appearing. Okay, so source file demo I am selecting. And see, what should be the event type for triggering? See, whenever file will be coming, the function should be triggered. That is, new objects are created. So all object create event. I am keeping this as it is. And recursive invocation, I must have to enable this, because what might happen that by mistake, what you might do, that suppose in a S3 bucket one file is coming and you are triggering your Lambda function, you have processed, that is applied some business logic and processed the CSV file, and then you are loading the CSV file again in the same S3 bucket. Okay, that means this is infinite looping will be happening, right? As soon as you will store the processed file, it will again trigger the AWS Lambda function. So to avoid that, every time whenever you are triggering using S3 bucket, the AWS will be just giving you a reminder that don't do such kind of mistakes, so that you have to give this kind of correct checkbox. Okay, and then you have to add, right? So our function, how it looks, I'll be going to code, and here in code, in function overview, if you just click on info, see, you can see the demo Etl pipeline, which is now currently empty, no code we have written, and from S3 C1 line is connected, which is indicating that from this S3 triggering will be happening. And if you click on this S3, you will be getting that the details. If you click, see, bucket is source file demo. From here triggering will be happening. Event type is object created. So whenever new object will be created in this particular S3 bucket, this particular Lambda function will be triggered. Okay, right. Now up to this, well and good. Now what we have to do, we will be going to destination bucket demo show, and here we will be creating one event. So this particular bucket will be whenever new file will be coming in our source bucket, it will be processed file Lambda, and the processed file will be stored in the destination bucket. Now from here it should go via Snowpipe to our Snowflake table. Okay, so let me now introduce you with our data. Okay, so before going ahead, open with Notepad and here also open with Notepad. So what I want in the transformation phase, let me just tell you. See here, this is a very popular dataset. One small part I have taken, that is Irish dataset. If you have worked on machine learning or data science, then I am sure that you have encountered this, because this is like hello world dataset for machine learning or data science, I can say. Now what I want, whenever CSV file like this kind of thing will be uploaded, we will be applying one simple filtering logic. That is, you just take only Setosa related information and send that to Snowflake table. That is, you can see that the last column for this particular CSV file is species, and here Setosa present, Versicolor present, Virginica present. So the filtering should be done such that only Setosa part it will be filtering. Okay, this is the job of our Lambda function which we are going to do. Similarly here these three files are Setosa which we are going to take. Okay, right? So now before going to create the event for our destination bucket, let us directly go to Snowflake and understand the code which we have tried to do. So drop database S3 to Snowflake. Okay, so here if you just check, I have written this because previously I have just tested that whether it was working or not, and that time I have created this S3 to Snowflake. Okay, but now it is not present. Perfect. So create database if not exist S3 to Snowflake. I am creating my database and here database created. Okay, use S3 to Snowflake. I am using the particular database. Okay, and then here I am creating one table. As you know that in Irish dataset, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, all are in double. So I am giving number 10,4 like this, and the last one is basically our, what is that? Our last one. If I just show you the data once, I'll be going to open with and Notepad. Here species. Okay, so let me give the same name only, then this will be better. So I'll be going to here, and instead of class I am going to give species. Okay, perfect. So here if I just refresh, see S3 to Snowflake is created, right? Use S3 to Snowflake, it is also done. See, statement successfully executed. Now we are creating this table. Okay, Irish dataset is the table name. We are using public schema, obviously not information schema, and the database name is S3 to Snowflake which you just have created. Okay, now if we just run this, and table Irish dataset successfully created. If I just run this select star from Irish dataset, you will be getting obviously empty, only the column names you will be getting because no record is present for the time being. Okay, now we are creating one file format which is indicating what type of files will be coming from S3 bucket. Okay, and the file format is CSV file, the normal just settings, that is file delimiter is comma for my case. If you are having pipe separator or tab separator, you just mention according to that. Skip header 1 because in my CSV file this header is present, so I am using this. Okay, field optionally enclosed by double quote which is kind of escape character and all this. Okay, so I will be running this, nothing new. Now here we are creating our stage. Okay, and very carefully just do this setting in the stage part. Create or replace stage. The stage name is snow stage. URL is what? URL is the from which S3 bucket the data will be coming in the Snowflake. That will be coming from destination bucket demo show. I'll be copying this and I'll be pasting here. Okay, credential AWS key ID. So now this particular key ID, whatever we have downloaded, I'll be using. Don't share this particular one with anyone else. Okay, otherwise they might misuse this particular bucket. Okay, so here I am showing after the video I'll be deleting this. Perfect. So here's secret access key I'll be taking for this S3 bucket. Just simple Control C, Control V. Okay, so here what I have done, I have specified the S3 URL which the stage will be indicating, given the AWS ID and secret key. This we have got from the IAM role which we have created by providing full S3 access permission to a particular user. Okay, which we have done in the first stage. Now we will be running this. Now let us check what are the CSV files present in the particular S3 bucket which is destination bucket demo show. Currently, as you know, it is completely empty, so obviously we will be not getting anything. Okay, now to do this automatic data ingestion, we need to create one Snowpipe with this specification auto ingest true. Okay, and we'll be copying the data from this stage to the particular Irish dataset table with this specific file format. Okay, so I'll be running this. okay, and pipe created. Now I'll be going to show pipes, okay, and here to do auto ingestion, here you will be getting one notification channel, okay. Just copy this notification channel, sorry, here I'll be going and copying this completely, Control C, okay. Now this Snowpipe, what is the duty? It will take the data, process data I can say, which will be getting from Lambda function, which is stored in destination demo file. From there it will be loading the data to this particular table, IDs dataset, okay. So whenever new data will be appearing in this particular destination bucket demo show, this Snowpipe should work, okay. So for that we need to go to properties, and in properties here we'll be going to event notification and create one event notification. Event name, I am giving random name eventa, okay. If you want you can give some good name. Now event type, obviously Lambda function process data will be coming here, so all objects create event because new objects are created here, okay, right. And then here SQSQ will be selecting and enter SQSQARN, which we have copied from there. I'll be pasting here and we'll be clicking on save change. So as a result, what will be happening, as soon as new data will be coming in this particular S3 bucket, the Snowpipe will automatically ingest the data to that particular Snowflake table. Perfect, right. Now for the time being, S3 bucket duty is done, almost done, okay. So here we have created our source file demo, where CSV file will be coming. We'll be using this particular Lambda zip code demo to upload our zipped file for Lambda, okay. And then the process data will be storing to the destination bucket demo show, and that will trigger Snowpipe, and Snowpipe will load the data in this particular IDs dataset table, okay. Now what is the next step? Obviously next step is we have to just create our Lambda function, and for this I have written this particular code, okay. Before that let me go to my PyCharm, and in PyCharm here what is the location? C user PyCharm projects demo. So I'll be going to that location, this PC, local disk C, user, okay, user, and then here PyCharm project and demo. This is the new one which we have created. The location I am clearly getting from here. Now I am going to create one new folder, okay, and I am giving the folder name as deployment project deployment ETL, okay. Just I am writing randomly, okay, deployment ETL. And now what I'll be doing, here see deployment ETL is coming, and here I'll be loading all the packages, okay. So I'll be going to terminal, and here I'll be going to cd deployment. I will be going to this particular folder which we have created, okay. So deployment ETL, give the same name, and see we are now inside the deployment ETL folder. Now see here I will be launching my Linux, okay, which is Windows subsystem for Linux, okay. So that is here WSL is the command, okay. As soon as you click WSL, you will be entering in Linux, and now you can basically take whatever packages are required for your particular code, okay. First let me put the code. Here is the code. I'll be copying this, and here I'll be making Ctrl A, delete this, Ctrl V, okay. Let me discuss. So here AWS key ID I'll be giving from this particular CSV file which we have downloaded from the IAM role, okay. No need to give earlier ones. See what I am doing, import pandas as PD. So pandas package is required. Boto3, import Boto3, okay. Boto3 is required? No, but if you want you can install, okay, because Boto3 is already available in our Lambda, but still we will be doing import IO, from IO import StringIO, that's all, okay. And def Lambda handler. Lambda handler is our function name. The event and context, these two will be passing. Now how the Lambda function will be triggered? Whenever new CSV file will be appearing in our source bucket which we have created, right? Now what is the CSV file name which has triggered, which has appeared in the source bucket and due to which the Lambda function is triggered, that you can get via this particular piece of code. So S3 file key I will be getting, and bucket name, in which bucket it is coming. See, in my case here from the source file demo the file will be coming. Okay, I'll be going to this one and here I'll be pasting this. I'll be providing the code in the description box. Just take the code as it is and do the modifications whatever required I am telling. Okay, now S3 equal to boto3.client. Here we are creating boto3 object for S3, AWS access key ID, secret access key. Again I'll be going to this particular one and here I'll be copying the access key ID. Okay, and here I'll be pasting the access key ID. Here also access key ID is required, and here I'll be taking the source access key. Okay, and here we'll be pasting source access key, and here also source access key. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are creating the particular object which that is CSV file. Okay, and then I am creating one pandas data frame. From that CSV file I am creating one pandas data frame, and if I want I can print that. Okay, but that is not required. That completely depends on your wish. I am deleting for the time being. Okay, now that particular pandas data frame has to be processed, and what is the business logic I have told you? Only the information related to the setosa flower ID setosa we need to take. Okay, rest all has to be rejected. Okay, now that particular processed pandas data frame again has to be written in the destination S3 bucket, right? So to write in the destination bucket I am again specifying one boto3.resource. Okay, giving all the service name, region name. Okay, for my case it is US is 2. If you are using some other region, then please mention that. AWS access key, secret access key as you generally specify. Then here I am making my resource. Okay, and then here is my destination bucket. Okay, what is the destination bucket name? Destination bucket name I'll be going to here, and here destination bucket demo show. I'll be simply doing Ctrl C, and here I'll be removing this one and I'll be pasting here. Okay, perfect. Then here I am applying the simple pandas data frame filtering logic. Initial data frame is basically storing this CSV file as data frame which is coming in the source S3 bucket. That I am applying that this PCs, which is the last column, should be equal to setosa. Those only we are taking in the DF data frame. Now the DF data frame we are putting in this particular S3 bucket. Okay, so when you are putting in a bucket, the key should have some name. So what is the name I am providing? I am providing the same name how the particular CSV file has came in the source bucket. Okay, source bucket CSV file name is stored in S3 key file, S3 file key, same name I am giving here S3 file key. Okay, and here I am using put command or put function to put this CSV file in the destination. Okay, so what are the requirement for this? Obviously pandas required, boto3 required, and S3FS, S3 file system also if you want you can install. Okay, so here I'll be going to this particular one. Here these are commands which are required to execute this particular code. I'll be providing all this in the description box. First let's check what are the version which is installed in our Linux. Okay, I'll be pasting this and hit enter. Python 3.8.5 is installed. Perfect. Now this particular pandas version will be installing. Where we are installing? See, we are in deployment underscore ETL folder. Okay, remember this, and here we are pasting. Okay, -t dot indicates that install everything in this particular folder only and hit enter. It will be taking some time to install. Okay, now whatever version I have mentioned here, they all are interdependent. If you are just trying to modify, then make sure each and one version packages are compatible with other one. Okay, you must ensure this also. So here it is installing. Let's wait for that. Okay, and here eventually the pandas, and as soon as you are using pip install pandas, the numpy will also be installed. Okay, so it is installing numpy 6, pandas, data util, pytz and pandas. Okay, so let's wait for that. successfully installed NumPy, pandas, Python data util and all this. Okay, perfect. So once pandas will be installed, what we will be installing? We will be installing Boto 3. Okay. Now you might say that why we are not directly installing the Snowflake connector for Python in this particular way and put in the Lambda function, because the reason is quite simple. I don't want to make burden for my Lambda function, okay, because if you are putting Snowflake connector here, then also it will work, but the thing is that Lambda function have certain amount of space, so I don't want to put the processing as well as sending data, both things I don't want to give on Lambda function, so that I am creating a different event for sending the data using Snowpipe. Okay, now here perfectly our pandas is installed. Now we'll be pasting the command for installing Boto 3 in the same folder. Okay, just hit enter and wait for that. Once Boto 3 will be installed, we have to install this S3FS. What is S3FS? S3FS is S3 file system. What is S3? Simple storage system or simple storage service, like that. Okay, so you can consider that as Hadoop. Whatever you want, you just put in S3, you just share the link. If you made that public, anyone can see that. Okay, cloud storage, simple cloud storage, you can understand, like that. Okay, and FS means file system, right? Here it is giving some warning, but no need to worry about warning until and unless you are getting any error. That is perfect. Okay, so here now we are pasting for installing S3 FS of this particular version. Okay, and this is my actual code. Complete code I will be providing. No need to worry about a single line of the code, because my primary focus in this particular video is to show you the installation process and how the complete ETL pipeline is formed, not the code, because code you can easily understand and explore from internet, right? But the pipeline is important, the deployment, okay, so that it will work automatically. Perfect. So here our all the necessary packages are installed. Now here this particular function I will be saving as, just go to save as Lambda function. Okay, Lambda underscore function. Why I am giving such name? Because if you go to Lambda function, let it load. So see, Lambda function.py, like that you should give name. If you are giving some other name for your function, then just change here. Okay, Lambda function.lambda handler, instead of that Lambda function, if you are giving some other name, you have to edit this also. I am not going to that, so I am giving simple Lambda function.py. Perfect. Okay, so here I am storing that in the demo. Now I am clicking on OK. Right, so my Lambda function is created, and now I'll be going to this particular same location and see here. Okay, so this is the demo, and in demo here my Lambda function is present. I'll be copying this particular Lambda function and I'll be going to deployment ETL. So in deployment ETL we have installed all the dependencies, that is pandas, NumPy, Boto 3, S3FS, all this. You can see here pandas, okay, you can see here somewhere Boto 3, you can see here somewhere S3FS, like this. Okay, and here I'll be pasting my Lambda function. Okay, now our deployment, all the folders and code is ready. I'll be just selecting all and I'll be using 7-zip, okay, for zipping all these folders in a single one. Okay, and I am clicking on add to deployment underscore etl.zip. I am just clicking on that, and it will be taking some time, 150 MB, not a very big deal for AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda can handle this much data at least, right? So now once this is done, what we will be doing? We will be going to our S3 bucket, and here we will be going to S3 Lambda zip code demo. Remember we have created this one, will be storing the zipped file. So I will be clicking on that, and here upload button is coming. I am clicking on upload, I am clicking on add files. Now I will be going to that particular location where we have created the zip, that is local disk to C, then going to user, then going to user, and then going to PyCharm projects. Where is my PyCharm projects? Here, and then here demo, from demo deployment ETL, from deployment ETL this particular package we are taking and clicking on OK. Okay, 39.3 MB. Obviously, as expected, it is going to take some time to load in this S3 bucket. Okay, you can check the status of progress here. See, and you can see here percentage also you can observe, right? So let us wait for the uploading part at least, and let us by that time let me close all this. And let us try to understand what is the expected output for this particular use case. Okay, so I'll be going to my Snowflake use case, and in this Snowflake use case I'll be opening the this is one.csv is already present. Now I am going to open with 2.csv, and I am creating one notepad. Okay, here the expected output, let us try to write. So here I am copying the header. Obviously header will be coming in the output. So here header coming, and then here from 1 this particular Setosa information will be coming, okay, in the output. So here in the output we will be writing that, and from 2 these 3 information will be coming because these 3 are Setosa, right? So here we will be pasting that. So this is the expected output. Okay, I am closing the 1.csv and 2.csv. By this time, let us hope, yes, it is uploaded, file is uploaded. Now I am clicking on this particular file which is storing our deployment ETL, and I am clicking on this particular object. See here, copy S3 URL, you just copy this, go to Lambda, and in Lambda here upload from Amazon S3 location. I am pasting the S3 URL, and I am clicking on save. Okay, so what will happen, that this particular Lambda function, whenever will be triggered, it will be executing the code which is stored as deployment ETL in the zipped format in the particular S3, the link which we have provided. Okay, now it seems everything is done, right? Hope we will not be getting any error. I'll be going to Amazon S3, I'll be going to source file demo, I'll be going to upload, and let's start the understanding part. Now I'll be uploading one single CSV file which is 1.csv. Okay, so when I'll be uploading 1.csv, so what will happen, see, let me again show you. I am just opening 1.csv, open with notepad. See, only these 4 information, okay, should go to our table, okay, because this will be rejected by our Lambda function, right? So here I'll be going to add file. In the source file demo I am uploading, I'll be going to desktop, I'll be going to Snowflake use case, and 1.csv I am opening. Okay, and here this is 264 byte, very small, just we are simply uploading, and within fraction of second it is uploaded. Okay, now as soon as it is uploaded, our this Lambda function will be triggered, and when our Lambda function is triggered, it will be putting the data in our destination. Let us check once. The destination demo bucket will be going, and see here 1.csv is coming. So when we'll be downloading this particular 1.csv, what is expected? We should see only this particular data, okay, because this 4 will be already rejected by our Lambda function. Let's hope that this has happened. I'll be downloading this 1.csv, just click on that, and here download. Okay, let's hope, and here I am opening. See, here it is happening, right? But here one problem happened, that is this particular one, index is also coming. Haven't I written index equal to false? Oh, sorry, here obviously we have to write index equal to false. Okay, again I have to make this zip file, but still I'll be making, because I want to show you the complete one. So if you have done some mistake, no issue, just copy this Lambda function which we have modified. I'll be going to deployment ETL, I'll be deleting this particular zipped package, and here this Lambda function also, and here I'll be pasting my new Lambda function. I'll be clicking on Ctrl A and then here save in zip and here add to deployment.zip. By this time it is happening. Let me just delete the files which we have uploaded in S3. In source file demo we have uploaded 1.csv. Let us delete that because we don't want the index, okay, indexing of pandas own feature which is not present in our data, which might create unnecessary issue. Okay, so here I'll be going to AWS S3 destination bucket also. I'll be deleting this also. Okay, and here I am deleting. Okay, and I'll be going to Lambda zip code. Whatever deployment file we have uploaded, we will be also deleting this. And I'll be going to Snowflake table. Whatever is present, let me just simply delete this. Delete from S3 to Snowflake. This one I am just simply deleting. If anything has came, it will not be hampering. Okay, so here let me just show you that now currently no data is present. Perfect. Okay, right, now here I'll be going to my S3 bucket Lambda zip code demo and I'll be uploading the particular deployment code once more. Okay, because I forgot to write the index equal to false, sorry for that. I'll be going to user, okay, and here PyCharm projects and then demo deployment ETL and then here deployment ETL. I'll be opening this and I'll be uploading. Okay, see where I am uploading Lambda zip code demo, where I just created this particular bucket only to store the particular zipped deployed project. Okay, so don't do mistake and put somewhere else. Okay, see now currently I have to modify the Lambda function also, right? Let's wait for that. So currently if you just check a list of files in Snow stage, it is empty, right? Because we have deleted all those. So we are just again doing the deployment phase once more. Okay, so this is one kind of advantage of this deployment. If you want to modify little bit, then you have to again start from beginning. Okay, that's why later Lambda layers came. Okay, so this much problem you no need to face. Okay, I'll be showing the Lambda layers concept in some of my other video, but let's check for the time being whether it is working or not. Right, so here two files are open. I'll be closing this one. I don't require this one as well. Hope it will be doing good this time. Just this much modification, index equal to false. Otherwise when it will be storing the CSV file in the destination, it will be storing the index also. And here it is uploaded. I'll be going to the Lambda zipped deployment ETL, again the same steps, copy URL S3, and here I'll be going to upload from AWS S3 location. I'll be putting my S3 location and click on save. It will be saving in a fraction of a second. By this time let me quickly go to my source file demo, and in source file demo, see by this time here Lambda function also uploaded, and in the source file demo I'll be clicking on upload. I'll be going to add files, and from desktop I'll be going to upload 1.csv which is containing this information. If you just check, it is having Setosa, Versicolor, Virginica. Now as soon as this particular S3 file will be uploaded in this particular source S3, Lambda function will be triggered and it will be filtering all the Setosa data and it will be putting in the destination. Okay, that is this data only will be coming in the destination. Ideally it should happen. Let us go to that Amazon S3 destination bucket and see already it is coming. Click on that, object action, download. Click on download, let it give some time to download, open that. Okay, let's hope that this time will not be getting any index, and see perfectly what was our requirement. It is satisfied. Only the Setosa related information is coming in the destination. Now we should get the same in our this particular Snowflake also. Okay, so let's check. Select star from ID's dataset. See, Okay, it has not came till now. Now you might think, what is the mistake? It has not done any mistake. Snowpipe takes some time to load the data. If you just check list of snow stage, see in snow stage you can see that we have created a 1.csv in the destination bucket demo, so it is showing. Okay, but it will be taking some time to put the data. Okay, no issue in that. And see, whole process is automated. I am not executing any copy command again in this Snowflake. Okay, and eventually it will be coming, but for the first time it might take some time. Okay, right, so let's wait for that, and let's hope that when we'll be getting the data in the particular Snowflake table, we'll be getting only this information. Okay, that is only Setosa related information which are filtered from the 1.csv file. Okay, so this part you have to just wait. As soon as you will be uploading in the S3 bucket, don't expect that you will be getting that same here also. Okay, like here it is taking some time. Let's wait for that. And here you can check the, you can do the monitoring in the CloudWatch also, view logs in CloudWatch. If you just click, what is the Lambda function name we have created? Demo Etl Pipeline. Okay, so here I will be going to log groups, and from there I will be going to demo Etl Pipeline, and here I have executed the code at 9:43. so this is the log information. See here, no error it is showing. Okay, that means our code has worked successfully. Let's check now. Till now it has not came. Okay, list of @snow stage, it is showing perfectly, and when it is created also it is showing. Size also showing, but the data is taking some time to load. Let me just check once. S3 to Snowflake, yes, table is present. In stage is present. Schema, public schema, file format also. Okay, zero rows till now. Have we created the destination bucket event properly? Yes, this is SQS is present. why it is showing 0 rows. So what I can do, shall I drop this and create once more? Bucket access permission I have given properly. Destination bucket demo show credentials access key format. Okay, fine. So let me okay. Why this destination is not triggering? Demo pipeline, it is working perfectly. Let me drop this once. Let's just check once more last time. Okay, it is still not coming. So what I'll be doing, let's our deployment as it is. I'll be going to source file demo, and here I'll be deleting this one. Okay, this might happen, no issue. I'll be just executing the same code once more. I guess due to indexing something happened maybe. And here okay, now is it appeared? Okay, right. So drop database S3 to Snowflake. It is dropped. Create database, use database, this one, create or replace file format, create the stage, list of elements, obviously it will be getting empty. Now Snowpipe created, go to show pipes, just copy this notification. Okay, here I am copying this notification, and here I am going to my destination properties, and in properties I am going to event notification, and I am deleting this. Okay, create event notification, event name, send file CSV, like this I am writing, all object create event, and destination is SQSQ, and this is enter SQSQ. I am pasting that and doing save changes. Okay, right. Now here I am going back, and now here let us first check, select star from, now it is empty obviously. Now here what I'll be doing, I'll be uploading the file, upload, add files, one, open, upload. I am uploading in source, uploaded successfully. I am going to check in my destination, 1.csv coming, and see it is generated at 53. Now it is timing 53, so just now created. Let us just download and check once. See, perfectly coming. Okay, let me just close this, select star from this, list of elements present in snow state. Let me check. Here it is coming 1.csv, but whenever I am triggering this, it is not showing that. Okay, let's wait for that. Let's run once more and see the data has came, all the Setosa related information. Just let me show you. 1.csv, this we have uploaded. See 5.1, 4.9, 4.7, 4.6. If you just check 5.1, 4.9, 4.7, 4.6. This is the beauty of the pipeline. Now this is this for one case? No, it will be auto triggered. Every time it will be happening. I'll be going to just source file. I'll be going to upload. I'll be going to add file. I'll be going to second one, and here I'll be clicking on open, and here upload. That's all. No need to worry. Now let's try to understand what is the expected output from 2. Okay, so here I will be going to open with and going to notepad. So in 2, in destination, only these 3 are Setosa, so only these 3 should come. And in the Snowflake table, how the data should come? See, in the Snowflake table, the data should come like this. Okay, how I have created this data? Very simple. 1.csv, 2.csv is present. Let me show you. I just combine this Setosa information, that is this first 4 row and this last 3 row. Okay, first let's check whether destination file reached properly or not. So now we are in source. Okay, now we are going to Amazon S3. I am going to destination, and here 2.csv I am clicking, and here I am going to here download. Okay, just if I click to download, here 2.csv is coming, and here see only these 3 information. Okay, coming. Okay, just check, you can cross verify. See 4.6, 5.3, 5.0, 4.6, 5.3, 5.0 means 5 only, and Setosa related, these 3 Setosa information only coming. Okay, so Lambda is working perfectly. Now it's time to check whether these 3 lines has appended automatically in our table present in Snowflake or not. These 4 we have already achieved from 1.csv. Now from 2.csv, these 3 new information we are getting. Now these 3 should be appended, and total number of rows should be how much? 4 rows from 1.csv, 3 rows from 2.csv. So total 7 rows. Let us check. So select star from ID status. Just I am clicking select star, and see the data is perfectly coming. Okay, you just verify with untitled.csv. Okay, just let me make here like this, and see, you can just cross verify. See 5.1, 3.5, 1.4, 2.0 Setosa, 5.1, 3.5, 1.4, 0.2 Setosa. Okay, like this. Any data it will be matching. 4.9, 3.0, 1.4, 0.2 Setosa, 4.9, 3.0, 1.4, 0.2 Setosa. Okay, 4.7, 3.2, 1.3, 0.2 Setosa, 4.7, 3.2, 1.3, 0.2 Setosa, like this. Whole data actually matching. So this is the beauty of ETL pipeline, AWS Lambda, and all this. Whenever any person will be uploading a particular CSV file in source, it will be processed by Lambda, it will be put in the destination. From destination, Snowpipe will take the data in this particular Snowflake table. Okay, so now suppose you have to modify this code according to your business logic. What you have to do? Obviously, bucket name, source, destination, Lambda function name, and access key, all these things obviously you have to give perfectly. Apart from that, if you want to introduce some new business logic, just write here in this data frame when you are applying like normal pandas data frame operation, right? So I hope you have understood this. All the codes will be provided in the description box or in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this particular ETL discussion. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Thank you.